She's going to be exhausted. She's got a little girl and 3 chickens. No, stay in here. It's a chicken on wheels.